Confidence does not come in one day. It grows little by little, step by step. Many people think confident people are never afraid, but this is not true. Everyone feels fear sometimes. The difference is this: confident people do not stop because of fear. Confidence starts when you understand yourself. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be better than others. You only need to be honest with yourself. The first step is accepting who you are today. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak. Maybe you feel afraid to try new things. That is okay. You do not need to fight these feelings. You only need to say, "This is how I feel now, and I can still move forward." The second step is doing small actions every day. Do not wait for big success. Start with small things. If you say you will study for 10 minutes, do it. If you say you will practice speaking, do it. If you say you will wake up earlier, try your best. When you do what you promise yourself, you start trusting yourself, and trust creates confidence. The third step is trying even when you feel scared. Fear does not mean stop. Fear means you are learning something new. When you speak and your hands shake, when your voice is not strong, when you feel nervous but still continue, you become stronger. Every time you try, fear becomes smaller. The fourth step is not comparing yourself to others. Some people move fast, some people move slow. Your journey is your own journey. Look at your past, not at others. Are you better than yesterday? Do you understand more than last week? If the answer is yes, you are growing. The last step is being patient. Confidence needs time. Some days you will feel strong. Some days you will feel weak. Do not quit on weak days. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. One day you will look back and say, "I am more confident than before," and it will be true. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is practice, step by step, day by day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.